Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we will study about position properties in CSS. So let's see what is it. The position property specifies the type of positioning method used for an element. There are 5 different type of values present in the position properties. First one is the static, second one is relative, third is fixed, fourth one is absolute, and the last one is the sticky. What is static? Position. HTML elements are position static by default. Static position elements are not affected by the top, bottom, left, and right properties. An element with position static is not a position in any special way. It is always positioned according to the normal flow of the page. So here I mentioned in the body there P element, an element with position static. This position is not positioned in any special way. So here I mentioned that, and in the div class I mentioned this div element has a position static. So now the class name is static and I given the position as static too. So what if I load this page? So now you can see the case of static, it is coming in a normal flow. So however it is coming, so this is the way how are loaded. So it is a normal form in case of static. It is not affected by the as I told you, it is not affected by top, bottom or any properties. It is a normal flow of the page. So that's how you can do the static form. Now, let's see the another property, that is the relative property. So what is relative property? An element with position relative is position relative to its normal position. Setting the top, right, bottom and left properties for the relative position element will cause to be adjusted away from its normal property. So what if I give the property as relative and the left should be of 30 pixel. Okay, now save this and we'll reload this. Now you can see it is coming, it is not coming in a normal way. It is shifted from the left side because we used left to be 30 pixel. So if you're giving any relative position, so you will be able to adjust your content. So here I gave 30 pixel away, so it is giving 30 pixel away from the normal position. So that's how you can fix it. So now in case of another position, that is fixed position, what it does, like if you're giving any fixed position over here, so it will give you the fixed, like you cannot make any changes over there. That is fixed, that position is fixed over here on the page, so it will not affect any bottom, right or anything. So if you're giving it fixed, though, that value will be fixed over there. So that's how the fixed position works. The another one is the absolute position. An element with position absolute is positioned relative to the nearest position ancestor instead of position relative to the viewport or the fixed. So like if you're giving any relative absolute position, so it will work as their relative position. So like if your the relative position is fixed, so it will also work as a position fixed. That's how the absolute position works. So the last one is the sticky position. What is the sticky position? A sticky element toggles between relatives and the fixed depending on the scroll position. It is a position relative until a given offset position is met in the viewpoint. So what happens in the sticky position, if you are giving any position as a sticky position, so it will get stick over there. So what happen if it is try to scroll inside the frame to understand how the sticky position works. So if you are giving any position and that gets stick, so it will scroll inside that box only. So that's how sticky position works. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we will study about more features related to CSS. Thank you so much.